In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a functional drop-down menu prototype in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First off, open up Figma and start by creating a new frame. You can do this by selecting the Frame tool from the top menu. Once you have your frame set up, it's time to add some text. Type "Choose" to represent your drop-down menu prompt. To enhance the visual appeal, you're going to need a drop-down icon. Head over to Iconify or any icon library of your choice and grab a drop-down icon that fits your project style. Now that you have your text and the drop-down icon in place, the next step is to frame everything together. You'll want to select all the elements you've just created, in this case, both the text and the icon. With those selected, right-click and choose the Create Frame option. This step ensures that your drop-down elements are neatly organized into one interactive component. Next, it's time to set up the options that will appear when the drop-down is clicked. Copy your current frame with the text and icon, and then paste it right below your original frame. In this new frame, you'll want to add the different options for your drop-down menu. These options can be anything relevant to your design, such as a list of selections or actions the user can choose from. With both frames ready, your main drop-down and the options ready to go, it's time to move on to the interactive part. Select both of the frames that you've created, and then look for Create Component Set in the top menu. This is a crucial step because it allows you to establish a relationship between the two frames for interaction purposes. Once your component set is created, click on the first frame, which represents the drop-down prompt. Here, you'll add an interaction that links it to your second frame, which contains the drop-down options. Figma allows you to add these interactions in the Prototype tab. You can set the action to on-click so that the second frame appears when the user clicks on the first frame. Now that the interaction is set up, drag the created component from your Assets panel into your main working area to test it out. You can do this easily by going to the Assets tab, locating your drop-down component, and simply dragging it onto the canvas. Once you've placed it, hit the Play button in the top right corner of the interface to preview your prototype. Finally, click on your drop-down menu in the preview to see your interactions in action. You should see your options appear as intended when you click on the drop-down. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully created a functional drop-down menu prototype in Figma. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing for more design tips and tricks. Your support helps me create more content for you. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.